Our today's question is from quadratic equation. The question is, what must be the value of k, where k belongs to natural number, so that the roots of the equation x square minus 3x minus 3 plus k equal to 0 are both rational? I tell you, this is a very uncommon question for class 10. Generally, we are habituated in getting questions related to equal roots or real roots. Or sometimes we get imaginary root, that is no real roots. But this is, they are given for both rational. Now, what is the condition for rational roots? The condition for rational roots is the value of d must be greater than 0 and d must be a perfect square. Must be a perfect square. Now we know what is d. D is discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here the equation is given x square minus 3x minus 3 plus k equal to 0. So for this equation, if I compare, I'll get the coefficient of x square as a as 1, coefficient of x, that is b, as minus 3, and coefficient of non-variable constant c as minus 3 plus k. So I'll calculate d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, that will give me b square, b is minus 3, so minus 3 square, minus 4 into a is 1 into c, c is minus 3 plus k. So this will give me minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12, minus 4 into k is minus 4k. So you get 21 minus 4k as discriminant. Now as I said, discriminant value should be greater than 0. That means for d greater than 0, 21 minus 4k should be greater than 0. That means minus 4k, if I take 21 that side, must be greater than minus 21. Now we know this is inequation, and in inequation I cannot cancel minus. We multiply minus on both sides, and if we multiply minus on both sides, the sign of inequality will get reversed. So this will become 4k less than 21. So we get k less than 21 by 4, that is k less than, if I divide 21 by 4, 5.25. That means the value of k must be less than 5.25, and since it is k belongs to natural number, so up to 1 I can consider. Now the other condition is it must be a perfect square. So perfect square, value of d is how much? Value of d is 21 minus 4k. So since value of d is value of k is less than 5.25, so I'll try out with value of k, putting the value of k as natural number. Can I put k is equal to 0? Since natural number I cannot take k as 0, I am taking k as 1. If I substitute k as 1, so d will become 21 minus 4 into 1, that is 21 minus 4, that is 17. Is it a perfect square? It is not a perfect square. If I take k is equal to 2, then we get d is equal to 21 minus 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 is 8, 21 minus 8 is 13. It is not a perfect square. If I take k is equal to 3, then we get d is equal to 21 minus 4 into 3. 4 into 3, that is 12. 21 minus 12, 9. 9 is a perfect square. If I take k is equal to 4, then we get d is equal to 21 minus 4 into 4. So it is 16 minus this is 5, which is not a perfect square. If I take k is equal to 5, since it is less than 5.25, so up to 5 is a natural number. So this d will become 21 minus 4 into 5, that is 21 minus is 1, 1 is a perfect square. Why I have taken only up to from 1 to 5? Because since it is given k belongs to natural number. If this condition was not there, then I would have tried with the negative value also. So we have seen that this becomes a perfect square for two values of k. One is 3 and other is 5. So the answer is k is equal to 3 or 5. That's the answer. Hope you have followed this way of doing the sums, how I have done this sum. This is a very important, uncommon sums of class 10. I'll give you a similar question for you to try. Leave your answer in the comment.